Smart spending strategies can transform your financial life dramatically, making your hard-earned money work for you in ways you might never have imagined. Understanding the power of a shopping list allows you to avoid impulse purchases, helping you stick to your budget and make healthier choices. Hosting potluck dinners not only fosters connection, but also significantly cuts down on dining expenses, proving that great memories can be made without breaking the bank.
Taking advantage of seasonal sales and discount codes online can lead to substantial savings, allowing you to snag that coveted item without compromising your budget.
Setting specific financial goals not only provides direction, but also motivates you to track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way.
Utilizing subscription services wisely can offer great value, delivering convenience and excitement while keeping your spending in check. Growing your own vegetables not only boosts your health and wellness, but also significantly reduces grocery bills, making it a rewarding endeavor.